Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Urulakizhangu curry. This delicious Kerala-style potato curry is a staple in many homes, known for its rich flavors and comforting warmth. It's surprisingly easy to prepare, making it perfect for any day of the week. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can create a perfect dish. Let's get started with the essential ingredients you'll need. Now, let's begin by preparing the aromatic base for our curry. First, heat about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan. Once it's warm, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them crackle. Then, add your sliced onion, ginger, and green chilies. Sauté these until the onions become soft and beautifully translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, it's time to incorporate the star of our dish, the potatoes. Add your 2 large potatoes, cut into 1-inch cubes, to the pan. Stir them well with the sautéed aromatics. Now, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, mixing thoroughly. Pour in 2 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of salt, then cover and simmer until the potatoes are perfectly tender. For the final, creamy touch, gently stir in 1 cup of thick coconut cream and a fresh sprig of curry leaves. Allow the curry to simmer for just 2 to 3 minutes, being careful not to let it boil vigorously, as this can curdle the coconut milk. Taste and adjust salt if needed. Your delicious Urulakizhangu curry is now ready to be served warm with fluffy rice, appam, or any flatbread you prefer. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.